Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we'll see how to install Jenkins in Windows operating system. Okay, so first of all, we need to go with Jenkins download, jenkins.io. Click on the second one. Now here you can see the download option. You can click the download and see. Now it is showing the it is Ubuntu, but today we are looking for that Windows, right? So we can just click on the Windows. So it is started downloading. Once it is downloaded, then we can install that. So if you see, this is .msi, still it is downloading. Yeah, it is completed, and go to the downloads, and if you see, this is the msi file. Now we can double click. So now if you see, it started install. So we need to click on next. So if you see program file Jenkins, it is installing in this path. And if you see, it is asking two types. One is for run server as a local system, and another one is a domain. So I am going with run server as a local system. Not server, it is a service. Automatically, when you are restarting your system, automatically it will start. No need to do the start and stop it. So test this port. You need to check this 8080 is available in your system or not. You can click on the test port. If it is success, then port is available. Because there is another services. If you occupy this one, you need to change this port number. Okay, 11 17 21 in the JDK. So it is expecting either one second. So it is looking for Java 17. So I'm downloading that one. So if you see, this is the Java 17, and we need for Windows. I'm just clicking that. Okay, it's 17 is downloaded now. First, before installing the Jenkins, we'll just try to installing the Java first, because in my system I have Java 16. So that is the reason I'm installing 17, because it is not supporting. So once it is done, we'll set in an environment variable also. Java Home 7.22 is there, but I don't know why it is not supporting that. Okay, let me try to install the 17 first. So I just downloaded Java 17 and installed and added into that environment variable. Just will check what is the version available in my system. Now it is Java 17 it is showing. Okay. Okay, next again we'll start installing this Jenkins. So now it is starting, right? So previously it was not supported that version. See, installation process is started now. It will take few minutes based on the internet connectivity. Where it is asking some permissions. Once you can give approve for that, then it is done. Now we can go to that localhost 8080. By default it is running. If you want, you can change this port number at the time of installing the Jenkins. Okay, so now if you see, so it is first time, it will take some time. So now Jenkins is booting up. The showing browser will reload automatically when Jenkins is ready. So it is asking for admin password. So this password is available this path. Just you can copy up to secrets and you can type run this and paste this one and open. See, secrets folder is coming. Here is the initial admin password, and you can open the notepad and you can see this. What is the password? Okay, this is the initial password. So you can, so while copying, don't give any empty space. So copy this and give here and click on the continue. So now it is starting, and here again two options it is showing: install suggestion plugin and select plugins to install. So here I am selecting the installed suggestion plugins. So it will download all these plugins, whatever it is required. This is by default, Jenkins is suggesting. If you want any extra, that time we need to choose the second one, and there we have the custom options. Which one you want, you can choose and you can install that. It will take at least 3 to 5 minutes to complete this process. So once this setup is, once it is downloaded everything, then you can start using the Jenkins application. So now it is running on localhost 8080 in your system only. Okay. So I'll show you the structure also. So where all these files is available. So while setting the Jenkins pipeline, so all these configurations, where the jar files will available, and this pipeline configurations, and where the where files, jar files will sit into that system. So everything I'll show in the package structure once it is installed. Okay. So now this process almost complete. Yeah, it's complete. So it is asking username and password, initial setup. So I'm giving by default as admin. Password also I'm giving admin. Confirm password. Full name. Email address is, you can give anything. Save configuration. See, it is asking localhost 8080. Save and finish. Then click the start using Jenkins tab. Okay, now Jenkins is ready. See, so this is the landing page, Jenkins. So if you see, here is the dashboards, and we are creating the jobs using this new item. If you click this new item, there is a freestyle project, pipelines, multi configurations, and you can add Marvin projects also. For that one, we need to install the dependencies first. Okay, and here you can see the build histories, and here you can see the manage Jenkins, and there are multiple options here. We'll discuss all these options one by one. If you go to the system, it is system configuration like JDK. If you are configured with Java, then JDK configuration, and Maven projects, Maven configuration. If it is Gradle project, Gradle configuration, and everything we need to configure from here globally. For the it will set for the jobs. What are the jobs you are adding there? So here is the plugins. So if you want to add Maven project, then you can just check search for Maven, so it will show the dependencies, and just we need to install. Okay, so right now I'm not installing any dependencies, anything, and in the future we'll see one by one all these tabs, how to use all these options. Okay, so this is the way to set up the Jenkins in Windows operating system. Okay.